Hey guys, I'm Lingesh here from PC.com. Today we have the Epson M1120 monochrome printer from the EcoTank series. The EcoTank actually has an integrated ink pen right here. The EcoTank has a smaller footprint with actually 5 buttons here for you to interact. The 5 buttons are the power button, the Wi-Fi button, the network status report, the ink button, and also a stop button. There are 2 indicators for the Wi-Fi button. One is for the Wi-Fi direct and another is for the Wi-Fi connectivity. The third indicator is for the ink. The fourth indicator is to stop any printing jobs if there's any error. So I've introduced to you the 5 different buttons that are available on this printer. Just like the games you play on your consoles, these buttons here involves certain combo pushes. To connect to your Wi-Fi network at home or your office, all you have to do is just push the Wi-Fi button and the last button simultaneously until it connects to your Wi-Fi network. Before you push these 2 buttons here to connect to your network, you need to make sure you push the WPS button on your router. So as you all know, this printer comes with a Wi-Fi direct capability. So to enable this feature, all you have to do is just push the Wi-Fi button together with the info button and the network status report will be printed. On the network status report, there will be the network access ID and the password for you to actually key in into the devices that you're actually going to use. The Epson M1120 comes with 2 different software solutions. One for the mobile, another one is for computers. As for the mobile, there is an app called Epson iPrint which is available for both Android and iOS platform. In this case, you'll see 5 different tabs for this printer. First is to print photos, followed by printing documents, then printing straight from cloud, scanning provided that the printer supports it. In this case, the M1120 does not support scanning. And last but not least is document capture, where in the document capture, the app uses your phone camera to actually scan documents and print immediately from your camera. The software for the computer is pretty straightforward. It has a quick guide on how to connect the printer to the computer via Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi direct, or using USB cable. Although this is an ink-based printer, Epson claims it is able to produce print qualities on par with laser printers out there in the market right now. The ink which Epson supplies with this printer is water resistant. What this means is that if at all the printed documents will get wet, it will always remain smudge-free. Epson claims that this printer can print 32 pages per minute in draft quality and half a page worth of text. However, during our tests, this printer manages on average 1 minute and 20 seconds. The reason behind our finding is such that this printer requires at least 8 seconds before it can print out the first page. This printer is targeted for office use where it requires monochrome, high quality, fast and cost-effective printing. That's all we have for the Epson Monochrome M1120 EcoTank printer. If you like this video, stay tuned for more. My name is Lingesh from PC.com. See you guys next time.